what a great day to shoot this video. Let's do this. Wow, what an environment. I'm 100% sure I can do this today. Oh. Guys, no matter how prepared you are, well, the environment around you can really distract your goals. People honking, someone is hammering over there, bikes are going boom, zoom, cars are going away. If this is the reason why you are not shooting the video, well, you don't have to stop it. You don't have to worry about your audio anymore after watching this video. So hey guys, this is Kedar here, and yeah, I found this quick little trick, and the most interesting thing about this trick will also work on your smartphones. So if you don't have any expensive cameras, well, don't have to worry about it. It works on cameras as well as your smartphone. It will remove any external environmental sounds from your audio recordings. The second thing, it will remove the internal noise of the microphone. So if you not talk anything, you will get like a very perfect silence. If you ask me, what would you prefer, better video quality or better audio quality, I will definitely choose the second one. Cause you know guys, if the video quality is just mediocre, well, you can somehow watch and see what's going on there, but audio quality, if that's garbage, well, you can't do anything. You can't even understand what's going on there. Just now, as you can see, someone is using angle grinder and my video is just ruined. And but anyways, I will promise you, after this video you will not get this problem anymore. So let me directly get towards the problem and how you can solve this. So if you are using a smartphone like what I'm doing right now, just to prove the point, you need this Y splitter. It splits your phone's 3.5mm jack to a separate speaker output and then microphone input. That's the thing you'll need to connect the microphone, okay? And for the microphone, well, you can use those cheap lavalier microphones, but I don't want to ruin my audio recording quality. So the thing you'll need is this one. Now this is a BM800 microphone. This is a very high quality microphone actually to speak with. This has a XLR connector. So they provide this XLR to 3.5mm jack as well. Let me show you quickly. So here it is, XLR to 3.5. So let me connect this. So I will do this intentionally uncut to show you. So right now I'm going to, you just listen to the noises guys. Bike, cars going by. This is just impossible to shoot. You can see angle grinder. Oh my god, like when there is a perfect silence available, no way, never. So I'm going to plug in this microphone and just notice the change, how quiet it goes. Okay guys, so here I connected my BM800 microphone to the audio input. Now you can clearly able to hear the quality of the audio. You just listen to the noises guys. Bike, cars going by. This is just impossible to shoot. You can see angle grinder. Oh my god. Even if there is a lot of environmental noises, you can cleanly eliminate all of those and get a perfect pitch silence when you are not talking. Even cars, bikes are passing away from here. I can't able to listen anything into the audio recording. So yeah, that's a really good one. Now, the second point, the microphone doesn't have any sort of a own internal noise. So yeah, that's a really good one. there is a one catch in this kind of a audio setup. If you put this microphone away from your mouth, the amplitude just decreases very drastically. So to solve this, you might need some kind of a amplifier into the system. Now the way you hold this mic, if you hold it like this, it will be much better. And make sure the capsule is facing towards your mouth. And the next thing, um, if you blow on it like this, you can use this pop filter, put it over here, and yeah, it's integrated into the package, so yeah, you don't have to buy it. Now all the popping noises should have been eliminated. So wait a minute, do you mean I have to hold this microphone all the time when I'm shooting the video? No, guys. Well, the real solution is here. So check this out, guys. I made a BM800 lavalier microphone. Isn't that cool? Just check out the low profile of the microphone. It can fit like a headset microphone. You get the perfect audio quality of the professional microphone as well. Okay guys, so making the microphone quite light enough was quite challenging because you can see it's all metallic and all heavy parts in the microphone, but I removed the amplifier board over here and integrated that into the steel mesh. Now here you can see it was a nice compact microphone. It's even balanced, so I can directly wear this onto my face. But there is a problem, guys. Let me show you. So let me show you how I managed to fit the mic capsule and the amplifier in the same steel mesh of the microphone. Oh, it took a little bit of time, but there you go, guys. You can see I used kind of a dodgy job with the hot glue and things like that, but you can see this is our amplifier module and the capsule itself. I extended the wires to 3.5 mm mic cable, but yeah, here you can see this is how I managed to fit all this into the steel mesh. Oh no guys, I did it, but I failed as well. The microphone is so heavy, I can't able to wear this on my headset. So right there guys, I instantly dropped the idea to use the existing microphone's body. So there was only one option left, is to make a custom body for the microphone capsule. And believe me guys, making a microphone can be harder than you think. So I will make a detailed video on how to make the BM800 lavalier microphone. I hope you enjoyed this quick little method of solving this audio noise issue. Please hit that like button, share this video, subscribe to my channel, and there is always thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Goodbye.